A lot of times people ask me, especially musicians, how to monetize. What's up, everybody? A lot of times people ask me how to monetize their music. Artists, a lot of times they want to get their music from price to scale, right? And don't worry about it, man. I got you covered. At the end of the day, I always say, and I want y'all to remember this: self-care is multiple streams of income. I'll say it again: self-care is multiple streams of income. So as a musician, back in the days, it used to be CDs, then it kind of progressed to MP3s, and artists really dependent on, just music, just from sales, just to really try to sustain themselves. But times have changed. So you can't just really rely on album sales nowadays. Everything is like streaming based. So things have changed. And we all know that the streaming services are rather predatory. They don't pay you as much as you should be compensated per stream. So what does that mean? Self-care is multiple streams of income. So treat your music career just like investing in the stock market. Don't just try to cater to just streaming. Also worry about, you can get merch, you can get touring, you can get music placements. These are other avenues that you can monopolize to monetize your music and monetize your career. All right. So at the end of the day, treat it like the stock market. K Sparks, JS, aka the best. Sync Music Mondays in 60 seconds or less.